Hello dear students, this is the second video of chapter number 7, class 8. This is the video for class 8, chapter number 7, second video. And you can see in the previous class what you have studied. You have studied about introduction to app development. Second, understanding the three types of mobile apps, that is native, mobile and hybrid. Third one, how to develop apps. So in this video, you will learn about app development using free software. And one of the free software is AppyPie. You will learn about application development by using AppyPie. AppyPie is a software which is used for developing another application software. Now, you must have knowledge about AppyPie. The software AppyPie is one of the software which gives free service for app development. You can also use AppyPie for pay and use service. You can pay some money, monthly charge or annual charge, and you can use that AppyPie software for app development. You can also use free service of AppyPie for developing an application software. Now, second point, you can open the web browser and visit to the given website https www.appypie.com. Now, next point, click on the Get Started button to start your app development. So, let us see how you can develop your app. First, you have to open any web browser like Google Chrome, and you have to enter this link. You have to enter this link https colon / www.appypie.com. So I'm copying this link and I'm pasting this link in its URL address. Press enter key. Now that website will open. This is the website appypie.com, and this website is used for creating app development. Now you can select the different types of application which you are going to develop, like mobile application, website. So I have, by default, mobile application is selected, and I'm going to develop mobile application. So click on Get Started button. All the points are given in your book in page number 78, from page number 78 to 78 to 82. All the points, all the steps are given. You can go through your book. Now here you have to enter your app name. What can be your app name? For what purpose you are going to develop? So I'm going to develop an app for doctors information. You can consult different doctors for different diseases. So I can write doctors helpline. After writing your app name, you have to click on next button. Now here you have to choose the category. Suppose you are going to develop an app for business, you will choose this one. And if you are going to develop the app for online store or religion worship, you can select these things. Okay. So there are many different types of apps. According to your requirement, you can select different types of categories. So I will select health and wellness for doctor. Now here two color schemes are given. One is dark and another one is light one. I am selecting the light one. Now here you will be asked to select one of the OS, whether you want to create your app for Android or iPhone. So I am going to create the app for Android. You can select this one. It will take a few seconds and then you will enter into the next page. Here again you can change your theme like dark or light, and you can also customize your settings of your app. Customize fonts and colors, layout, page. You can customize your text font, text font, text size. You can also customize your background text color, header icon color. Customize your app layout. Okay, so according to your requirement, you can do the following changes, and then you have to click on save and continue. It will lead to the next page. It will take a few seconds. Now you can see the first look of your app is getting ready. It will take a few seconds. You have to wait here. And this screen will come at your screen. Now here you can see first my apps, then at the top left corner you can see my apps, then doctor's helpline, and then third option is test your app. So before creating the app, before uploading the app on Google Play Store, you have to test your app whether the app is working correctly or not. And you can also edit your app manually. You can edit the options according to your choice manually. You can see this QR code. Now, how you can test your app? For testing your app, you can go through this video. Okay, you can also install TestLab. TestLab is one of the software which you can install on your mobile, and then you can scan this QR code for testing your app which you are going to create. You can also click on welcome, then click on my apps, and here you can also test your app. Okay, you can see there are many different icons available here. Test app on device, preview website, edit. So you can do the following things. Okay, and after testing you can upload it on Google Play Store. You can go through you can suppose you want to test app on device. You click on this one. You can see here children. You can also contact to Apple Pie. You can see this phone number is also given here. Chat support is also available here, and Android installation guide is also available here. And first you have to log into your account, and then you can test this one, test your app, and then you can upload this app on Google Play Store, and then you can use it. So after uploading this app on Google Play Store, you can download it on your mobile from Gmail. Okay, you can get the link on Gmail, and through Gmail you can download it. You can go to the My App, click on welcome and go to the My Apps. Here you can see the following icons: test app on device, and you can test your app. Then after testing your app, you have to click on go live, and you can upload your videos on Google Play Store, and you can upload your app on Google Play Store. Your app will be available. You can download that app on any device, and then you can use it. Suppose you click on go live, then again it will you will be asked for paying some money, and you can pay. You can see here basic rupees 99 per month, or it is billed annually. Okay, so you can buy the service of Appify and you can use it. In this way, you can upload. When you buy this service, the following icons will come. You have to go through the procedure. Okay, the following link will be given. Following items, following buttons will be given, and you have to go through the given statement, and you can use this app. You have to go through the you have to go through next steps, and you can follow the steps, and you can use this app. You can also edit your apps, and you can see there are many different icons here for editing, for testing your apps on the device. So before uploading, you must test this app on your device, and then you will upload. Okay, so I think you have understood how you can develop your apps. Okay, thanks for watching this video, students. Thank you very much.